Nigerian Diaspora in Canada to stage massive protest for Ipob leader Nnamdi Kanu's release. Nigerian communities across Canada are organizing a massive protest to demand the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Ipob, whose 4-year detention by Nigeria's government has galvanized the Igbo diaspora. Set to unfold in cities like Ottawa and Toronto, with rallies planned at Parliament Hill and Nathan Phillips Square, the protests aim to spotlight Kanu's deteriorating health and human rights abuses, including his 2021 extraordinary rendition from Kenya. Frustration runs high after repeated court rulings like the United Nations Working Group calls for his release. This order have been ignored, prompting organizers to call on Canada's government to leverage its human rights stance to pressure Nigeria and Britain Kanu's other citizenship. In Canada, the Nigerian diaspora, over 100,000 strong, with a significant Igbo presence, sees Kanu's detention as emblematic of systemic marginalization, rallying under groups like the Igbo Canadian community. Social media, particularly X, amplifies their call, with posts from figures like Kanu's wife and Sahara reporters framing the protest as a stand against tyranny. This Canadian movement joins global Ipob efforts, from Washington to Dublin, reflecting a broader struggle over Nigeria's survival and the Biafra quest for self-determination. Kanu's case, marred by solitary confinement and denied medical care, has drawn condemnation from Amnesty International and the UN, yet Nigeria's government remains defiant, labeling Ipob a terrorist group. As protests loom alongside Nigeria's own Free Nnamdi Kanu Now March on October 20th, the diaspora's actions could pressure international actors, but risk deepening Nigeria's ethnic divides if dialogue stalls. For now, Canada's streets will echo a cry for justice, with Kanu's fate hanging in the balance. Family Writers Press International.